Michael,
What?
congratulations.
Oh!
Michael.
It's your book debut.
Yes.
Playing with fire. Michael
so-
Symon is
What a
playing with-
beauty.
I'm super excited about it. I mean, I feel like even though there is snow, I grill all year. So, like, I'm outside grilling all year. But really, the book, I'm excited about the book because it's just an instructional book on cooking with live fire. It's not that things that you couldn't do inside or on a gas grill, too. But ever since I've been a kid, I've been amazed by fire.
Oh, well, there's a name for
And
it.
so I turned it into a career, you know, as opposed to what I could have turned it into. But it's cooking on a grill, it's smoking meats, it's dishes that you can make at your fireplace inside, building fire pits. It's really fun.
Super fun. All right, so you have a couple of dishes here for us to taste, yeah?
So we have a wood plank salmon. So it has a little bit of like a soy and a Dijon glaze on it. You just cook it on a wood plank. This is something you could do on a gas grill and still get the wood flavor with some scallions with it. And then even though I'm jumping ahead of seasons, I just couldn't. I wanted to give this to you guys so bad because I love it so much. It's a grilled corn and tomato and avocado salad, which goes really fantastic with the Symon.
Well,
Thank
this salmon is
you.
delicious. It really is.
I love the corn when they're still connected like this.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it lets, well, I know, it lets people know, like at the restaurant sometimes when they used to clean it and they'd get every kernel separate, I'm like, leave them connected. It lets people know we're using real corn.
Exactly.
You
It's
know,
like-
you're not emptying a bag of niblets or whatever they are.
But back in the day when eggs were really hard to come by, they'd leave a shell in the cake. So it was a real egg.
That's funny. I didn't know that. That's funny. Well, congratulations, Michael. You're going to be cooking from your book a little bit later in the show, correct?
Yep. And also, I'm going to do a 5 and 5 tomorrow featuring a similar corn salad with a grilled ham steak, which I think you're going to
Nice.